In this video, I'm going to share you the usage of filter function in Excel. We have a list of data as employee, profession, salary and all these things. And what we are going to filter here, profession, accountant. So start with the filter, equal filter, open bracket, the array, the area where you want to filter. So this is our array. So I am going to select this part, press F4 to fix it. Then the condition, our condition is profession accountant. So the which part, this is profession accountant, we need to, this is our criteria. So go to profession column, select this part, equal accountant, select that cell. Next one, the next argument, in case not found, if empty, then what we want, just I'm keeping here as blank, close it, we found it, the accountant. In case I changed admin, it will change automatically. Now I'm changing salary. Oops. Changing salary 12,000. I couldn't find it because the salary area I did not change it. That is from still having problem. It should be C5 to this part. So select salary area. Then what is the condition? Yeah, greater than 12,000. We have found it here. In case I change to other salary, for example, it's 15,000. Enter it. We have got it. So this is the basic usage of filter function. It offers more.